Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, move installed game or application to another drive in Windows. Move VLC Media Player application to another drive. Open File Explorer, C drive, open Program Files. Open Video LAN folder. Open Video LAN folder, copy folder location. Open Notepad and paste in source file. Open destination drive. Copy destination drive path. Paste to destination field. Including with application folder name. Copy destination path and paste to destination. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first line and paste to command prompt window. Copy second line and paste to command prompt window. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.